Rice feeds more people than any other food on earth. Every single day, more than half of the world's population depends on it. Yet what looks like one simple grain is actually thousands of unique varieties, each with its own history, flavor, texture, and cultural story. From fragrant mountain fields to flooded river valleys, rice has shaped civilizations for over 9,000 years. Today, scientists estimate there are more than 40,000 cultivated varieties, making rice one of the most diverse crops ever grown. The story begins with Asian rice, scientifically known as Oryza sativa. Archaeologists believe it was first domesticated in China's Yangtze River Valley around 7000 BCE. Over thousands of years, farmers selectively bred wild grasses into the grain we recognize today. As trade routes expanded across Asia, rice spread into India, Southeast Asia, Korea, Japan, and eventually the Middle East and Europe. Every region adapted it to local climates, creating countless distinct varieties. The second major species is African rice, called Oryza glaberrima. Unlike Asian rice, it was domesticated independently around 3,000 years ago along the Niger River in West Africa. Although less common today, African rice naturally resists drought, floods, weeds, and many local pests. These remarkable traits are now helping scientists develop stronger rice varieties for a changing climate. Rice is often divided into three major grain sizes. Long grain rice stays light and separate after cooking because it contains less of the sticky starch called amylopectin. Medium grain rice becomes slightly soft and moist, while short grain rice releases more starch, creating a sticky texture perfect for chopsticks and molded dishes. The difference comes down to chemistry more than appearance. Perhaps the world's most famous long grain rice is Basmati. The name comes from a Sanskrit word meaning fragrant. It has been cultivated for centuries in the foothills of the Himalayas across northern India and Pakistan. Basmati grains almost double in length during cooking rather than becoming wider. Their distinctive aroma comes from a natural compound called 2-acetyl-1-pyrroline, the same molecule responsible for the smell of fresh popcorn. Properly aged basmati develops an even stronger fragrance, making it one of the world's most valuable rice exports. Another aromatic superstar is jasmine rice from Thailand. Unlike basmati, jasmine rice cooks into soft, slightly sticky grains with a delicate floral scent. It originated in central Thailand during the 20th century and quickly became one of the country's signature agricultural products. Its subtle sweetness makes it the perfect partner for spicy curries and stir-fries throughout Southeast Asia. Japanese short grain rice takes a completely different approach. Rich in moisture and starch, it becomes glossy and gently sticky after cooking. This texture allows individual grains to cling together without becoming mushy. That balance is essential for sushi, rice bowls called onigiri, and countless everyday Japanese meals. Farmers in Japan carefully breed varieties for flavor, stickiness, and even shine. Closely related is Korean short grain rice. While visually similar to Japanese rice, many Korean varieties are bred for a slightly firmer bite. Rice has been central to Korean culture for centuries, appearing in everything from steamed bowls to rice cakes known as tteok. Historically, white rice was once considered a luxury reserved for special occasions, while ordinary families often mixed rice with barley or millet.